Tense get to divine cadence la people kasushu and kerangi loda chai by nadine don't kerangi chidre kerala agas kitawat in la karigari chungidu or the kola yi ani. If you want to watch this video in English, then your timestamp will be in the description, okay? Ani kalawre kerangi tawa dinang la kerala karigari chungidu ani tango kerangi current energy ani kerala. The current ra kirangi tanda nitang sorwas laure on the country chitu ani kiran su kare yung du ra kiran chola ta sowa do chi on the kan yung du ani kiran gi chitu health ani kiran gi chitu kalaure relationship ra kiran gi chete ra kiran gi tewa ani kiran gi career leka chawa okay ni kiran gi three big blessings chawa lam dok tawadi nala sum kare du wodi ko langira ani tango kinangi karen energy dira richi ora tango kinangi karen energy kandido chuwa 3 of cups. Okay, 3 of cups li do the kinans watch energy current paying chimudu celebration ki mood pe nawa kip gaga toto ra ta phatsu chamdin che gaga toto che kip che o tene do chiti do kang tu kiran socializing ra party de tre do dang ani yang mi mangbo dingam yu sala chome do dan bomo sum kip ta ya to da o tene ra socializing do da pe kala ore tis chik kang tu kiran gi nawa kip ra simba gaga toto kip de gi kiran gi o tene do chik chro tingi do lan shei kiran gi current energy paying chimudu yama kiran gi leg up chip pe de ya ko do bin chura pe gani de yo thora tu ba khang chungwa okay tu ba khang chung gani kiu chin ti yo to shu de energy du lan shera kiran gi da chro pinning chimudu an kiran la da dawa dina la yung jur ti khari du la na eight of swords li dura an kiran gi ne da chilo de pe ga kha to kip ti yo ani simba nanglo ne kiran ti chi yang kalawta chipu de kalipe du samye tho dang ra ani chipu den de thu min du o de samye tho da de ba ina yang kiran kalawre o de chik jena yang kiran ta da pha chu mi yam tu thu zum che ka cho kip chi gi men do ra khashi ya de isi girwa ani de yang chipu de thu min du da chipu jena nga samlo tha mi da khor yung gi du nga kyu me ge cha du du nga len chi mi ji tam la mi ko du chu tin de sam gi yo ina kalawre da kirala energy kharili dula na khina chibu de thu an chibu de ne dandur lulu ra pe kalawre da pe shidi kalawre da pe shidi simba kyu lulu chini chibu de thu ya changi chime o de do chintara sam yang chibu de so samlo jo tang ra deep samlo jo tang an so ngam du ke jego ya ge chibu da o thende du ke do chi khina cholo su yu du la de yang kaji chi chiru da yan thende de ke ingi mare da khari ingi la na so mig la this problem do chi yo ina this chick mig da phone la ta yu mangta te mo ta yu mangta ting sa ra phone screen gi mig thola tang gi do mig la this kan ye do che thende chi yo ina kiran chola da mig de gale yar do tu yar ra o thende do chi ya li du kiran cholo su energy o thende chi ngi du la shera ani kiran gi kala ore kirangi trading kala ra kirangi mix zum ne gora khare da mi de che shegi sare yo endo chitingi dura khare ne kirangi che sha ja di che sha ge ma ti che sha ge ma yana khashi chi chi da theni ingire yang ta mi ge trading chi du ya ko la na dia che simbachi ya ko la mi chama so la opinion la ora da so la da ji ya ko du la kha ga yo ra da kiran chama ga chi khala wa ni gi me do sam do chi du da ra de tiki dende la yakpo la o tanga dende chigi la jos saina yami chigi dende dia bo mar shimba chigi la na mi chigi ta khala da dietitian de zoi la dietitian la naga do ra ta min la dinge o dende sama kina gi follow do chigi min do sam chi do ra ani kashi chigi chidu ni yang trading gala samlo shira tangi mewa yami tangi wa do chi du dara trading gala shuk chimbo kiran zo gi khala ore samlo tangi mewa ja tiktori sam yami tangai cho junk food do sa ani o tiktori sam ni yami tangai cho o dende thong do ta dende ba ina kiran zo agas ki dawa dinala ani kiran zo ti chi khala ore so trading gala ti samlo do tang ra da nga trading so go trading ya ge chimbo re trading yang ge chimbo ma da trading ge chi shura ra so go trading de ge chi shura simba kharita khari yunere menere ra yunere trading de mena chasara mare de da kina dis chiga august na la kina ge di chi da trading chogla shu chimbo kina ge osamlo ta ko zo echme o theri ro shi tu ta okay ani kina so ge ta dewa relationship la ra dewa ani dewa de la khari dula na hangman le du khari la na kirangi namgyun ni tangi ta dewa parola tangi entity uchi keja shidang ine entity uchi shidi yu chedang chodang ine entity uchi shidi yu ta ine relationship da 제와디게 약부시다 조투고 민두 섬기요아이나 아니 칼라오레 야고 조통민두 섬기요아는 결하기다 제당 규로와당 계제시당 규로와당 삼로당당 규로와당 아니 지칼라오 파수초라 삼시슈 침보 켈레 투게시메 결하게 오데네 켈레 투 제네 릴레이션십 약보 fruitful도 약보 차도에 시딩이더라 양카시 싱글 토데데 이바이나 아니 단다 믹스에 결하게 가우치야당 아니 따지 relationship nala zugo samya to dang o den shida jing da wa dinala shida thonggi mindu ya so so chibu yang ra chig spiritual to kom nyam len to khala or ta chig so so nyam do du se pe ki u tang ya ja sop so du se ki yu la ja ngara ngara o den de do ye thonggi tu la ni shen yi ra ani relationship di on the day to chiresha la ni shen ani kira cho shi da kharla ore tadi career ra career la pe yak putu ta kina zo balance kile tu dra balance le ra life la balance le career la balance kira ki tanda ba to career la shiru do lega chi duzu geja क्या कैसे दूसरी रोची ता करियर लतांग शायद चिगे होय ना ता केना की तीस ता बैलेंस के लिए करियर या तकता रोची लेगा तकता रोची जे नामी दु पिंगा गेम दु तकता रोके सो सो ट्रेडिंग लाइन ने तकता रोची दु ता ओ तेने रोची खासी चिगे चिगे yang करियर ला काले सिगु चे लेगा छेसा ला सो सो इता रा लेगा छेसा लो जों छेसा ता सो सो लो ट्रो इन लो जों छेसा देंदे ला काले शिक छिबो ठिगे होय ना तावा दिला क्राउन सो काले ठेसा मारे क्राउन सो रा पे सो इने पे जे के ओछा नी गी ने पे रोपा या पछि नि रा कोंचो गे ने लमरोक शिक छिबो नां खांदर ता पे यापो छा रे छिमे ओ दिन यापो पे छा या kita khorong ro pia cha du du khachiri lai jo zo de de ra kon cho gi lamro yang career kang la shuk chimbo du la ni shwe ra kirang zo okay and then ba do career la khari do chi che go yi so so shita chi go chu me wa na ta ha go cha o nga di che go du la ni ha go cha o den de ting gi du ani so so career ni ma twin sa ta retire chan da kha chi go na do sam ge wa ne tin zo chi do yang so so la passion du ra da o nga den de chi che go du la ni so so la chi ra do chi me oh then do chi tu kan tar kiran zola ra koncho gi draw dang ani lam draw dan then yu di ni kiran zola ta career khala pe ning che mo chi tu ye cho then do chi tu gi du lan shwe ra ani kale to kare gap shwe ne de la dibu pe yak pu thun do chi ra oh then do gi don three big blessings ra blessings tang bo di goron queen of swords and kiran zo 카시직다 칼라오레 창마 얘기 말디다 베미 뉴뉴인기라 카시직 양 소소 교가기 메카디 카가도자 소소 직보도 디유나 아니 달림딜라니 키라 칼라오레 키란다 직보도 직 디기요 이나 아니 키란 베 소소소다 아타가 딕샹아 직고티네 베고 두 라이죠 카라카라 단다 바데야 나 직보이 nga kalila nga and lonely feel chi do and lonely do feel che mi dam de tawa do so and chi digiyo ina tawa dinala khajida anta nga ngone nga rangam do so pe ko thudu nga rangam do so pe ki ki thu du lai jo de de do chi de gi do ra khashi chi chi de be mi nyung nyung gi chi do ingir changmai chi do message gi marera ta shimba de zo chi do blessings kare la na kena zo pugu do de ba chi gi ina ya dia khashi chi chi do rang re tinzola ra pugu chi gi chance tu yang so so pe yuni bu ne ta kyo ga ki me de zo ta pugu chi jungna sam rewa do shuk chimbo ke dinge de yo ina pugu chu do chi de ke wana la 아니 망체지기 치도다 가리돌라나 커뮤니케이션 빼 약부 차도 있으면 삼로 빼 약부 땅도 우 덴디시고 덴디 마시고 땀미나 계제시나 빼 약부 차도 해줘 계제시나 약부 간디 셔라 삼로 땅기 당기 셔라 호 디시나 약부 빼 두고 다 디시나 약부 tum다 덴디시고 덴디 요다 계제 빼 시키고 두 차도 해줘 오 덴디 커뮤니케이션 가라 키나절 빼 블레싱 쉽지 불리 두 계제시나라 계제시나 되게 상마리도 아니 블레싱 스니와디 아니 펜티클스 리드라 나로 펜티클스 리드인 키나줄 가리라나 Okay, Knight of Pentacles li du ani di du kenan sula khare yi lana so passion ye chi yora da nga de chi che de ba du lai so so o de passion de follow che gi ko kap di blessings kang la lamdro la ora lamdro khang la da di chi de ke wana la kenan so gi passion follow chi tu e jo da nga di pe go da nga di rang chi gi lai jo o de passion so yi khare kang la go yu ne on di kang la ta le ga chi tu ya ra o chi de jo chi ra chi tu ge di blessing le du lamdro le du kenan so chi du ra 아니 계란조 아니 blessing 숨바데 가리둘라 계란조 라페 emotionally 계란조 갈라오레 페 strong 차 아니 페 삼로 님바 땅퉁이 삼로 야포 땅퉁이 단다바도 디스틱 삼로 야마 도직 심망보 툭 디기요 아이나 라심 페 야마 투 탁치보도 메와체 다 디안 제마싱 디안 카체오나 some this confusion do laura this all the do na lagyo aina kiranzola blessings karili do ta pe thakchubo chaya ra emotionally pe balance do ra takta do cha do ni kiranzo khari ne pe thakchubo do cha do ejo o thedi do chi kiranzo chola blessings ra blessings sumba de o de to chi do ani kana zo intuition ya be power high do chai jo so o ta ti chi o da ti chi o da so yu ko khali khali ha go do chi me o ti to chi ra blessings sum di ye pening chi mo du ra ani kana zo khala ore reading data chida kewa ge reading data kam si in kana zo khalawre ya ko to mai na yindung de la kata channel subscribe ani khalawre in simba kana zo ita simla ta chowa to da an to pa to da khari do chi yo ai ne chi singi thwe do thende khari yo ai ne in comment section ala to chelan share yi ani khalawre nyu to chi yong yindu se bala tu che nang. Okay, so if your Tibetan zodiac sign is Rooster, then this reading is for you, and I will try my best to explain in English. Okay, so first I am going to do is your current energy and then upcoming energy and your health. This is your health, this is your relationship, this is your career, and these are your three big blessings for August month. Okay, so first, your current energy looks like very good. You are celebrating and you are being very happy and you are socializing and you seem to have lots of friends and you are celebrating with them. And I think some of you have also achieved something recently and you are celebrating for that, or you're going to the parties and you're enjoying your life right now. I see like that your current energy. And your upcoming energy is Eight of Swords. So if you are feeling like I cannot stay with myself, I cannot be with myself, I feel lonely, if you feel like that, so that I have to be with other people. If you feel like that, then in this August month, you will love your own company, okay? You will spend some time with yourself and you will enjoy that. And if you some of you are going through some having difficulties or issue with your eyes, then you are going to feel better in August month. Okay, this is also possible if you are going through that. Okay, and for your health, the Fool is coming. So if you listen to all the advices from different kind of dietitians, doctors, okay, about your health, if one is saying follow this diet and you are not following that diet and you don't see the result, or other persons saying that not this is not good, don't do this but do that, then you also listen to that person and you follow that. If you follow like these kind, or some of you are not thinking and taking action towards your health, you just ignore your health, then in this August month, you are going to follow some diets, some activities, and you are going to take some actions for your health to make it better. Okay, so you are taking actions towards your health in August month, and that's very good. Okay, or if you are going through some health issues, then you are going to get a help from someone very good. Okay, so you're going to feel better after that. Okay, and about your relationship, if right now your relationships are like if I do that, this is not good, this is not going good, we are not having understanding and communication is bad in relationship, these kind of things happening right now, then in this August month you will feel like I have to do something else to make our relationship better, and then you will follow that other way, then you are going to see very good result in your relationship, and more respects and communications, better communications are going to be there in a relationship. Okay, and if you are single, then I don't see any possibilities to go in a relationship. You are going to enjoy your own company and you will feel happy and you'll feel free, okay, in this August month. And for your career, the Temperance is coming, so this says you're going to have a balance. If you're going through some very difficult to balance your career life, workplace, or your study, then in this August month you're going to be very good in balancing and time management, and going to be very good in your career, and you are blessed with your higher power. And you, even if you are going through if you feel like I don't know what should I do in my career, if you are confused in your career right now, then in this August month you will know your passion. Okay, you will know your passion and you will follow that, and you are going to be very satisfied and very happy in your career. Okay, And these are your three big blessings. And the first blessing is, if you are trying to make your communication better, then in this August month you are going to be very good in communication. Okay, this is for your first blessing. And your second blessing is Knight of Pentacles. So you're going to find your passion. Again, you're going to be going to find your passion, and you're going to follow that, and you're going to be very good in that thing, and you'll feel very happy. This passion can be anything, okay, towards your relationship, towards your career, towards your health. This can be anything, okay, but this is going to be very good for you. And this is your second blessing. And your third blessing is the moon. So if you are emotionally imbalanced or immature, and you are not very happy, or like you feel very emotional, if you are like that right now, then in this August month you're going to feel very matured and balanced, and you're going to feel, you can feel everything. Like your intuition power is going to be very strong in this August month, so you will feel so many different kind of thing, and you will know that, okay, this is it, this is not. You are very good, you're going to be very good in taking decisions, okay. So that is your reading for August month, and I hope you understand and received your message. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that I can see you very soon again. Okay, bye.